Here you see an ancient bridge named the WANGCHUN Bridge. This ancient bridge was built in Song Dynasty range. And you see, WANGCHUN Bridge was initially constructed during the Song Dynasty as a vital wooden bridge spanning the Citywalk River. During Ming Dynasty, it's about 1388 AD. The bridge was significantly rebuilt using stone in the 21 ST years of Hongwu Empire's reign during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to adopting its characteristic multi-arched stone structure. No, it's really a stone bridge. During the Qing Dynasty, especially in the 37th years of Qianlong Empire's reign, the bridge underwent substantial expansion to accommodate increased traffic flow. Here's the news I didn't know. This WANGCHUN church relocated and rebuilt within WANGCHUN Park in the 21st century in order to protect this ancient landmark. This bridge near my home, the distance about 1,000 meters. But there's a few people in this bridge. Let's have a look carefully. It's really ancient. You see? Let's change a direction to see it carefully. Okay. This is the river, Citywalk River, near my house. And now have a subway named WANGCHUN Station. It's also the first time I look it carefully. Beautiful and extremely steady. Here has a milestone. Here has a stone record and print the name 2010 10 years. December. Let's change a direction to have a look. This is river. Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's an ancient bridge from east to sea. Not so big. Okay, finish. Here has a stone. My stone. Okay.